This is a tutorial for how to look at students' progress on Desmos for your warm-up activities. So I've gone to teacher.desmos.com, I'm logged in, and then I'm going to go to your activities custom, and this is where your activity will show up. As an example, I am going to use this number talks activity. I have more than one class code, but you should only have one class code, so I'm going to click on View Dashboard. And this is the link for students. You can just close that out. And I've anonymized this so you can't see people's names, but these are would be all your classmates' names right here. And the dots show how much progress they've made. So this person has done all the activities and submitted on each screen. Maybe this person clicked through, but they did not submit anything. So I'm on the summary page right now. And that gives me the overview. If I want to look at an individual screen or a problem or prompt that they responded to, and I click on that, it will show me everyone's responses. Now this one has 19. You will have more in a class of 35, but you can get all of them sort of together at once, and then you can click through screen by screen. And you mostly want the responses option. Overlay would show all their drawings on top of each other, which can be interesting in some situations, but we don't really need here. If you're doing this, since you're working in partners, you could take a screenshot of this and then scroll down and take another screenshot and scroll down. I get that that may be a little burdensome, but I'm not really sure of another way to share them. Or you could pick different problems that you're each going to focus on and do screenshots of those. So that would be one approach to sharing. Another approach to sharing these across with you and your partner would be, if you're comfortable with it, you can make a shared password, and then later, once you're all done, you can go back in and change your password if you don't want them to have access. Again, the main way you want to look at it is summary gives you the big picture. Clicking on a particular screen will give you all the answers for that one. If you want, you can click on one particular student's response, and you can click through student by student and see their individual responses for each one.